Hello everyone, today I will show you on how to fund our Col Financial account. So last week, August 18, we opened our Col Financial account online in only 10 minutes. And today I will show you on how easy it is to fund our Col Financial account so we can start purchasing stocks in the stock market. So after one day, here is the email from Col Financial giving me my account number so I can fund the account. So look, we opened on August 18 and now it's August 19, 8:15 a.m. and the email is here. It says here, fund your account for a minimum of 1,000 and start growing your money. So kailangan lang pala natin mag-deposit dun sa account ng 1,000 para siya ma-activate. So here is the Col account reference number, and this will also be your Col account number. And for the funding details, it says here, click here so we can see paano ba natin mapa-fund yung account. So here are the funding options. So we can have online bills payments. So kung meron tayong internet banking, so we can fund through Bank of the Philippine Islands, BDO, Metrobank, AUB, China Bank, Robinsons Bank, Union Bank, o kaya GCash. GCash, napakabilis din mag-fund. Or we can have it over-the-counter bills payment. So ito naman, yung pupunta tayo sa bangko, magbi-bills payment tayo, pipila tayo doon para i-deposit yung account dun sa Col account number natin. So pwede tayong pumunta ng BPI, BDO, Metrobank, AUB, Robinsons Bank, and Union Bank. And if we want, we can also go to Col Business Center. Pero ito, hindi ko na to nire-recommend kasi pupunta ka pa sa Ortigas just to fund the account. So mas pinakamagandang option dyan, use na lang online or over-the-counter bills payment sa pinakamalapit na bangko. So here are the funding options, and we chose Metrobank since nandun yung account namin ng mga kids. So ito na yung procedure on how to pay via Metrobank. Also, kung ano yung i-click nyo doon na gusto nyong way ng pagka-fund, bibigyan kayo ng procedure kung paano mag-pay. And for Metrobank online bills payment, the bank transaction fee is free. Okay, so magla-login lang ako sa aking account sa Metrobank. So I'll input my username and password. And then so eto na siya, yung sa online banking. So here, idadagdag ko lang si Col Financial sa aking list of billers para ko siya mabayaran. So we'll look for Col Financial Group. Where are you? Ayun, nasa taas, Col Financial Group, and then I'll input the subscriber account number, yung binigay sa atin sa email. So input. This is the new Col Financial account that was added to my list of billers. So if you can see, I have two other Col Financial accounts. So ito yung mga dati pang Col Financial accounts ko because as I've told you, dati na kami nag-i-invest sa stock market. So here, ipopondohan na natin to. Ang balance namin ngayon sa savings from our savings challenge is 8,985 kasi nung first week, diba, nakasave kami ng 6,900 plus, and then on our second week of the challenge, we save 1,996. So ito na po yung total, 8,985. Hindi nga lang namin ilalagay lahat sa 8,985 because merong maintaining balance yung bank. So we'll only put 6,985 para sa aming first purchase of stocks sa stock market solely for this Ipon challenge. Here, 6,985. So we'll just confirm the funding of the account online. Mag-input lang ako ng one-time password. There you go, 2,000 na lang po ang tira sa aming balance sa savings account kasi napunta na kay Col Financial yung 6,985. Col Financial said in the email that I have to wait for 24 hours after the funding for the account to be activated. But here, I was surprised that only after 30 minutes, the account is already activated and we are ready to buy our stock in the stock market. So, ito na yung email ni Col giving me my account number, ito din yung nasa unang email, and my password. So yung password, papalitan na lang natin siya kapag nag-login tayo doon mismo sa account natin sa Col Financial. On our next video, we will be showing you on how to buy our first stock in our newly opened Col Financial account. So, see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.